Have you had enough of those sleepless nights with a burning sensation in your chest? Want to put an end to the discomfort of gastroesophageal reflux disease, also known as GERD? You're not alone. Millions of people worldwide share your struggle. The good news? This video will provide some relief. We'll dive into 10 scientifically backed home treatments for GERD and a special bonus that you don't want to miss. So sit back, relax, and prepare to combat GERD from the comfort of your home. 1. The wonders of aloe vera. Remember the last time you got a sunburn and aloe vera came to your rescue? This wonder plant is not just for your skin. It can help soothe your irritated esophagus too. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties can reduce the inflammation caused by acid reflux, providing relief from the symptoms of GERD. Including aloe vera juice in your diet can help manage GERD symptoms, bringing a soothing effect on your digestive system. 2. The healing power of chamomile tea. There's something comforting about a warm cup of chamomile tea. But did you know it's not just a cozy nighttime ritual? Chamomile is known for its sedative and anti-inflammatory properties. Sipping on chamomile tea can reduce the inflammation in your esophagus, helping to soothe the burn of acid reflux. Plus, its calming effect can help you wind down for a better night's sleep. A real bonus for those restless GERD nights. 3. The magic of baking soda. Yes, the same baking soda that makes your cakes rise can also help tame your acid reflux. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a natural antacid, neutralizing stomach acid that's causing discomfort. A teaspoon of baking soda mixed with a glass of water can bring quick relief from GERD symptoms. However, due to its high sodium content, it should not be used as a long-term solution, especially for those with high blood pressure. 4. Harnessing the power of ginger. Ginger has been a staple in traditional medicine for thousands of years, and for good reason. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help soothe an irritated esophagus, reducing the symptoms of GERD. Incorporating ginger into your meals or sipping on ginger tea can provide significant relief from acid reflux. 5. The alkalizing effect of apple cider vinegar. It may seem counterintuitive to combat acid with acid, but apple cider vinegar is a potent home remedy for GERD. It helps balance your stomach's pH levels by neutralizing stomach acid, reducing acid reflux. Adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water before meals can improve digestion and prevent acid reflux. 6. The calming effect of yoga. Stress can exacerbate GERD symptoms, and that's where yoga comes in. Certain yoga poses can help reduce stress, improve digestion, and alleviate GERD symptoms. Poses like the legs up the wall pose or the bridge pose can reduce acid reflux by preventing stomach acid from moving into the esophagus. Regular practice can lead to long-term benefits. 7. The fiber-rich impact of whole grains. Whole grains are a great source of dietary fiber, which can help to absorb excess stomach acid and reduce the symptoms of GERD. Incorporating fiber-rich foods like oatmeal, brown rice, or whole grain bread into your diet can provide significant relief from acid reflux. 8. The soothing properties of licorice root. Licorice root has been used for centuries to soothe and protect the stomach lining and esophagus. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation caused by acid reflux, providing relief from GERD symptoms. Adding licorice root to your diet can help you manage GERD symptoms more effectively. However, it's important to choose DGL, deglycyrrhizated licorice, as regular licorice can lead to side effects like high blood pressure. 9. The role of a healthy weight. Excess weight puts additional pressure on your stomach, increasing the risk of acid reflux. Maintaining a healthy weight can significantly reduce GERD symptoms. Regular exercise, combined with a balanced diet, can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight, providing long-term relief from GERD. 10. The importance of meal timing. When and how you eat can significantly impact GERD symptoms. Eating smaller, more frequent meals rather than 3 large ones can prevent your stomach from becoming too full and triggering acid reflux. Additionally, avoid eating 2 to 3 hours before bed, as lying down can cause stomach acid to move into your esophagus, causing discomfort and disrupting your sleep. 11. The power of sleep positioning. A simple change in the way you sleep can make a big difference in managing GERD symptoms. Elevating the head of your bed or using a wedge pillow can help prevent stomach acid from rising into your esophagus while you sleep. This small change can significantly improve your sleep quality and reduce nocturnal GERD symptoms. Potential drawbacks. While these home remedies can provide significant relief, it's important to remember that they may not work for everyone, and overuse can lead to other health problems. For instance, excessive use of baking soda can lead to high sodium levels, and overconsumption of apple cider vinegar can cause tooth enamel erosion. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment for GERD. And there you have it, 10 effective home remedies for GERD and a bonus tip that can make a world of difference. By incorporating these treatments into your routine, you can manage GERD symptoms and improve your quality of life. Remember, everyone is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding what works best for you. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experience with these remedies or any other tips you have for managing GERD. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness advice. Here's to your health and comfort. We'll see you in the next video.